Welcome back to Global Deal Explorer. If you're looking for the best dash cam to protect your vehicle, record every mile, and provide peace of mind on the road, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Car DVR Dash Cams of 2026, ranked based on video quality, reliability, smart features, coverage, and overall value. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the 4CH Wi-Fi Dash Cam. What makes this model stand out is its complete 4-camera coverage. Unlike traditional dash cams that only record the front and rear, this system captures footage from the front, rear, left side, and right side of your vehicle simultaneously. For drivers who frequently park in crowded areas or operate rideshare vehicles, this extra visibility can be incredibly valuable. The system offers full HD 1080p recording, night vision capabilities, loop recording, and support for a hardwire kit for continuous parking surveillance. While it doesn't offer 4K video, its comprehensive coverage makes it a strong choice for drivers who prioritize maximum monitoring over ultra-high resolution. Coming in at number 4 is the DDPAI Z50 Pro. This premium dash cam delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD video recording, ensuring excellent detail for license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic. Its dual-channel recording system captures both front and rear views, while built-in GPS tracks speed and route information for added evidence and convenience. The integrated ADAS system provides smart driving assistance features, helping improve overall road awareness. With Wi-Fi connectivity, a bright 3-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking monitoring, the Z50 Pro combines performance, convenience, and advanced safety technology into one stylish package. At number 3, we have the REDTIGER A4. This front and rear dual camera system delivers impressive 4K video quality and excellent image clarity in both daytime and nighttime conditions. Built-in GPS accurately records driving routes, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick access to footage through your smartphone. One of its strongest features is its dependable 24-hour parking mode, helping protect your vehicle even when you're away. Combining reliability, image quality, and user-friendly operation, the REDTIGER A4 offers an outstanding balance between premium features and everyday practicality. Taking the number 2 position is the 70mi T800E. This advanced 3-channel dash cam records the front road, rear traffic, and vehicle interior simultaneously, making it ideal for families, rideshare drivers, and professional operators. The 4K front camera captures exceptional detail, while intelligent voice control allows hands-free operation for a safer driving experience. One feature that truly stands out is the supercapacitor design, which offers greater durability and reliability in extreme weather conditions compared to traditional battery-powered systems. Combined with GPS tracking and 24-hour parking surveillance, the T800E delivers a powerful combination of security, convenience, and long-term dependability. And taking the top spot as the best car DVR dash cam of 2026 is the DDPAI Z60 Pro HDR. This flagship dash cam delivers nearly everything a modern driver could want. Featuring a powerful Sony Starvis 2 678 image sensor, the Z60 Pro produces exceptional image quality, especially in low-light and nighttime conditions. Its HDR technology helps balance bright headlights and dark road environments, creating clearer and more usable footage. The system records front, rear, and interior views, while built-in GPS, advanced ADAS features, 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, and even 4G support provide an unmatched level of functionality. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, the DDPAI Z60 Pro offers one of the most complete dashcam experiences available today. Those were our picks for the top 5 car DVR dashcams of 2026. Which dashcam would you choose for your vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides from Global Deal Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.